Getting your air conditioning system's refrigerant charge right is super important, especially when you're dealing with subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifice setups. Okay, so first off, always check the rating plate on your unit because it's packed with info the manufacturer wants you to know. This usually includes the right refrigerant type and the target subcooling level. When you're working with a TXV system, focus on subcooling measurements. That tells you if the refrigerant is properly condensed before reaching the expansion valve. For fixed orifice systems, you're all about superheat, which helps make sure the refrigerant fully evaporates before it hits the compressor, preventing damage. Use a digital gauge set and thermometer to get accurate temps and pressures, then compare those numbers to the manufacturer's specs. Don't just guess or eyeball it, because charging by feel can wreck your system or make it less efficient. Remember, ambient temperature and load conditions affect these readings, so try to do your checks when the system is running steady. Adjust slowly. Small changes in charge can make a big difference. Lastly, if you're unsure about anything, reaching out to a pro or checking detailed service manuals can save you headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with refrigerant charging is ignoring the manufacturer's subcooling and superheat targets, which causes either an undercharged or overcharged system. Both bad for performance and longevity. Fix that by always referencing the rating plate and using precise tools to match those specs exactly. Another common issue is mixing up when to use subcooling versus superheat measurements. If you use superheat to charge a TXV system, or vice versa, you'll end up with faulty readings. Stick to subcooling for TXV and superheat for fixed orifices. Lastly, rushing the charging process without letting the system stabilize leads to inaccurate numbers. Just hang tight for steady-state operation before making adjustments. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC charging and repairs, making it easier to find reliable help without the stress. It also gives contractors a solid way to get more work by reaching folks who really need pros that care about doing things right.